Hi, this is Shelley Kraft. We're coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the Cambridge House California Resource Conference 2013 here in Indian Wells, California. With me is Mr. Tom Irwin of International Tower Hill Mines, ITH on the TSX and THM on the NYSE Amex. Welcome to SNNLive.
Thanks, Shelley, for having me. It's good to visit with you.
It's good to see you. So let's get right into it. Tell our audience about your company.
Sure. Well, International Tower Hill Mines owns the Livengood gold project outside of Fairbanks, Alaska. And it has some tremendous attributes. Size.
Yes. How big?
16.5 million ounces of gold measured and indicated.
So that's substantial.
Yes, sir. It is substantial, and it's important to know it's based upon 800 drill holes and all certified. We really have a large ore body.
Is it high grade, low grade? What do you got?
It's really a typical low grade large project, very similar to the Fort Knox mine that's about 40 miles away.
So you're in elephant country.
We're in elephant country, and I had the privilege of being the vice president and general manager of the Fort Knox mine at this same stage. So we understand, and it's always a team. We have a great team.
So tell me what's going on. Any recent press releases, any new news that you want your investors to know?
Well, I think I want our investors to understand that we are completely focused now on the feasibility study. We have stopped exploration drilling. Mm-hmm. Time value of money is important. Gold 10, 20 years out doesn't affect our rate of return. So we're doing feasibility.
So when you get those feasibility reports finished, then you're going to put out another report to cover all of that, correct?
Yes, sir, that's correct. And it wasn't long ago, as you asked on a news release, we did publish our recovery results. And with good optimization, we've increased our recovery, and we've changed the flow sheet a bit.
So where do you think the company goes in 2013? And look, we take into consideration there have been better years in the market, let's face it.
But look, we're a big mine. We understand that. The gold price historically goes up and down. Mm-hmm. This is a big mine, a bigger picture. Our goal is to be done with feasibility middle of the year. Then we go into the time frame where we work with the agencies and we work with the public to start explaining in detail what we're going to do. And that's the next step after that into permitting.
And then you're probably someone who's on the radar of larger companies, I would have to assume.
Well, when I worked for the larger companies, a company like this would certainly be on the radar.
Now, what's your background?
Oh, my background's mining. Graduate of the Colorado School of Mines. I was manager of the Climax molybdenum mine in Colorado. They formed a gold business. I was general manager of that wonderful high-grade sleeper mine in Nevada. And then I was asked to transfer up and do the Fort Knox mine in Alaska.
How do you like it up there?
Well, here was the picture. I was to transfer up there for 4 years. 20 years later, still in Alaska. My wife and I love it. Our daughters have moved up there. Our grandkids are there.
Must be gorgeous, right?
It is gorgeous, although I noticed the warmth and sunshine outside when I came here.
Okay, let's get a website from you so we can send people there.
Our website, it'd be ithmines.com. ithmines.com. Ladies and gentlemen, Tom Irwin of International Tower Hill Mines, symbols ITH on the TSX, THM on the NYSE Amex. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive. We're at the Cambridge House California Resource Conference 2013 right here in lovely, very warm Indian Wells. Thanks for coming on. Thanks, Shelley.
You're welcome.
Privilege.
My pleasure.